Hey guys, and welcome back to GCC. In case you missed it, Blizzard has officially released the WoW Classic Beta to anyone with an active World of Warcraft subscription. To be honest with you, I haven't actually played WoW in a few months. I've been maintaining my sub, and I don't really know why. It's about 15 bucks a month that would have been better spent if I had invested in something useless like an Ouya, but oh well. Thankfully though, Blizzard has been kind enough to give me an excuse for maintaining my sub, and with a single tweet has retroactively wiped away any of my regrets for doing so. As of today, the 18th of June, anyone with an active WoW sub can download the WoW Classic Beta, and then tomorrow will be able to play it as long as you're in the Americas or Oceania regions. And all jokes aside, this is actually really exciting because if you're anything like me and you never get picked for closed betas, then this is a good chance for you to dive in and see what WoW Classic is about, and see if all those memories that you may have had from vanilla WoW hold up. And if you didn't get to experience it back then this is likely your first chance to do so for reals. The whole point in opening the beta up to the public is to test their servers. They're hoping to get as many people as possible online logging in to get as much of a load as possible on the servers to see if they'll be able to handle it when WoW Classic officially goes live. Now this is something that they probably should have done when WoW launched in the first place, because when the game first launched, the servers were completely overloaded and were regularly down, and it was kind of just a mess. So thankfully now they're putting in the efforts to test their servers and make sure that they can withstand the pressure, because that's not what they used to do. But hey, better late than never, I guess, right? Now, I haven't put too much thought into what character or class or even race or even faction I'll be playing when I do play the WoW Classic Beta and the official WoW Classic when it does go live. Back in the day, my main was a prot warrior, and I leveled as a prot warrior / fury warrior. By the time I hit level 40 and was ready to get my first mount, I didn't have any gold because I spent all of it respecking so many times, so I could level by myself and then switch to prot to tank in dungeons and stuff if I needed to. So I think I got my first mount when I was like 56, 55, something around there. Almost level 60 when you could get your epic mount. So that's a little bit embarrassing, but hopefully this time I'll be a little bit better prepared. My favorite character though from that era was my Holy Paladin. Between wearing cloth armor for the bonus intellect, the mana per 5 stacking, and the mana regen from spell crits, I basically never ran out of mana, and so I loved to heal through Blackening Lair, Molten Core, Ani, even Encourage a bit. I dabbled with that. So maybe I'll go back to Holy Paladin so I can relive the glory days of my OG Paladin. Which classes and races are you guys gonna play, do you think? I'm curious to know what you guys want to play and are looking forward to, because like these classes are just so wildly different than they are today. It's almost like a different game. That just about wraps up this video. It's a really short one. I just wanted to get this out there kind of as a PSA to anyone who doesn't follow the WoW subreddit or the WoW Twitter account. So I'm interested to see how it goes and see how their servers handle it, and I'll see you in Azeroth.